So hello guys, welcome back. I am Shorodip Biswas. So today I am going to do an unboxing of High Speed Decora by Crompton. So I have purchased this fan offline and the price is 2000 rupees only. So this is the aqua gold color. So let's unbox the fan. So generally I purchase blue color because blue is my favorite color, that's why. My previous Avancer was also blue. So let's unbox the fan. Before that, let me show you this sticker. So as you can see, its MRP is 2640 and it's a January 2020 piece. So this year piece only. So let's unbox the fan. So as you know, the things required are some 2-core wires, as you can see, these twisted pair wires, a screwdriver, a double-sided screwdriver is always better, a plier, a wire stripper, a tester, and 10-11 mil spanners. This is a ring spanner and this is a normal spanner. So let's unbox it quickly. So let me tell you that this is the 11-inch down rod and this is a small hole. Small hole means, as you know, as per my previous Avancer, that kind, M6 bolt, I think so. And previously I said M7. Actually M7 do not exist. That is M6 most probably. And the JKR have M8. So this is the fan. I just clean the space now. So it is a globe capacitor 2.25 and everything is still good. And let me show you, this is the shackle assembly. So, and these are the canopies. So as you can see, let me just unwrap the canopies. As you can see, it is very clean canopy and it looks good also with this. So as you can see, it's not a scratch, it's just a molding. As you can see, it's just a molding impression. Now there is no impression, see. So the fan is good. The canopy is also very shiny, as you can see, and this is a screw type canopy, so it's not a push type canopy, good to say. So let's install the fan quickly. And regarding the warranty card, yes, regarding the warranty card, you can see this warranty card is very much neat this time. Previously the picture of the fan was very big here in the center, but now it's a small warranty card, and this is the warranty card. And let's just open the blades quickly. So let's install the fan. So the installation of the fan is completed. Now as you can see, the canopies are little bit tight, still the screws are totally loose. As you can hear the sound, the screws are loose, but this grip of the canopy is very good. That's why you don't require to tighten the screws also. Means just joking, always tighten the screws of the canopy. But as you can see, the screw is still loose, but the canopy is very tight. So it's behaving like a push type canopy of normal Crompton high speed. But for always tighten the screw of the canopy, otherwise after weathering conditions it may lose up and then the canopy will slide down. So let's fix the blades and let's hang the fan in the ceiling. Before that, let me show you the bottom view. As you can see, now the fan is looking really nice. So let's fix the blades. So now the installation of the blades is completed. Let's hang the fan and see the performance. So now the installation is completed. So let's start the fan. Before starting the fan, I should tell you that this fan is a metallic color. So you can get a feel of anti-dust from this fan. Means this is not a real life anti-dust fan, but it's better than that of the non-anti-dust fan. That is, you can get a slightly glossy finish. That's why the dust don't accumulate on the blades. This is a real anti-dust fan, but this fan is not prescribed or recommended as anti-dust from Crompton, but this will behave as an anti-dust fan. So let's start the fan. One thing to say is that this medallion in the bottom is very strong. It's not weak as that of the other brands. It's really strong medallion. So due to aging and due to time, if the medallion gets broken, you may get the spare in service center. You no need to worry regarding this. So this is a good quality medallion and made of good quality plastic, so no need to worry regarding this. So wow, this fan is so nice. So as you can see, the airflow is really awesome. This is a really awesome airflow, and as I can feel, the airflow is slightly better than that of the previous Aura here. Means this high speed have a capability of giving the airflow straight downwards, and Aura have a capability of spreading the airflow towards the circumference of the fan. So if you want a fan which should directly throw the air under it, then go for this kind of Crompton Grips high speed fans, and especially this high speed Decora series, because these have a range of colors. I think there are 6 colors of this Decora. One thing to say, I have used here a long hook, long S hook, as you can see, because I need the fan little bit down from the ceiling. And this is my Avancer, as you can see there. So the 2 blue fans are here. So Crompton has this HS Decora blue fan and a indigo blue Avancer. So this is the aqua gold. So another blue fan of Crompton is also there. That is the Aura Lagoon blue, the Avancer Lagoon blue, and the Aura Duratec Starry Night blue. That's a color like that indigo blue. So this is the fan. So this fan have a speed, it's similar to that of the Aura, and I think it's 370 to 380 RPM. And this Avancer is a little slower fan compared to this high speed, but the airflow of the Avancer, the Aura or the high speed the high-speed Jacora, the Riviera, the Zapar, the Ultra. All these fans have a 230 cubic meter per minute airflow, but regarding the speed, the Avancer is the slowest, that is 360 rpm. I hope so. Now the Avancer have been started. I don't know if the camera can see this. I can clearly see this, that this Avancer have a speed means it's slower than that of the high speed. I don't know either the camera can see this, but I can see this. What do you guys see? Please comment it down. The airflow of the Avancer is means it's like Crompton's High Breeze. You remember Crompton High Breeze? If you just speed up a High Breeze, what's the performance? It will be a very good performer if you speed up the High Breeze. So this is the modern version of High Breeze, and with a Jacoration type. And regarding the Jacora, as you can see, this is a Crompton Greaves high speed fan. So obviously it's good. I can feel the airflow is pretty decent and awesome. The 2000 rupees is a worth for this fan. And what do you guys think regarding this fan? Please place the comment in the comment section. If you like my video, then press the like button. If you want to see more this kind of videos, then subscribe to my channel. And thanks a ton for watching.